Hi students, the task card we are looking at in this video is describe a job you would not like to do. Say what the job is, how you know about it, what it involves, and explain why you would not like to do it. So here's my sample answer. I think a job which I would not like to opt for is an accounts job. I know about this job since my brother is a chartered accountant and my uncle is a finance manager in a company. I believe the job requires them to keep track of the flow of money. They go through accounts and do calculations and make financial statements. I can confess that I am not very good at number crunching, and dealing with numbers day in and day out is definitely not my cup of tea. I would find the job very mundane and boring. The very thought of sitting at a desk staring at spreadsheets just fills me with dread. Also, I understand that for higher paying jobs, we need to clear certification exams like CPA, CA, etc. And I know these exams are very tough and it may take years of effort and hard work to clear them. This is another reason why this career does not appeal to me, because I am basically a laid back person and so I would not be very successful in this profession. I think our careers should match our interest and passion. Getting up every day and going to work should be something we feel enthusiastic about. I am very creative and I would love a job which requires out of the box thinking. And so repetitive and methodical jobs would be very mind numbing for me. Also, since I am a sociable person who enjoys meeting and interacting with others, just sitting in a cubicle for several hours is totally unimaginable. So I am sure working in the finance field would leave me disillusioned and worn out, and it would be totally unfulfilling for me. Now I'd like to give you some points that you can use for the discussion part. What is more important in a job, the income or the interest one has in it? Well, I believe a job that interests me would be more preferable for me because I would be passionate about it. I would be able to put my heart and soul into it, and that will give me such a huge sense of self-fulfillment and satisfaction, and it would be highly rewarding. How can people do their work better? There are several ways to optimize productivity and efficiency. One way is to make to-do lists of things to accomplish each day. We should also avoid distractions in work from phone notifications, social media, etc. Taking small breaks during the day can also keep us relaxed and energetic. Having a pleasant workspace can also enhance productivity. Are there many well-paid jobs that are not very interesting? Yes, there are jobs that come with impressive paychecks but can be quite boring. I think accountants, computer programmers, database engineers all sit at a desk staring at their computers and do tedious jobs but take home a six-figure salary. With that, we come to the end of this video and I'll soon be back with yet another very useful video, and all the best for your studies. Subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates.